Now, via the protein engineering, we are increasing the stability and biological activity of protein and enzymes. So, this kind of protein and enzyme having the use in the industrial and therapeutic application. So, by some method, we are increase the stability and activity of particular enzyme or protein. Very first is the addition of disulfide bond. So, introduction of this bond increase the thermostability of enzyme, and this bond should not be disturb the normal function and activity of enzyme. So here we have to focus that it increase the thermostability of enzyme, plus it is not disturbing any kind of activity of enzyme. Now, this new protein obtained after the addition of disulfide bond does not unfold at the high temperature and also do not denature at a non-physiological condition like the higher pH or the presence of organic solvents. So here, when we are adding the disulfide bond, there are a generation or the new protein is obtained at this site. So the bond between that disulfide and the protein molecule is not affected at the high pH, or we can say the higher pH, the higher temperature and organic solvent do not break this bond. Next is in this addition of disulfide bond, the example is T4 lysozyme. So this enzyme is getting from the bacteriophage T4. Now it is the enzyme of bacteriophage T4. The disulfide bond added in the T4 lysozyme by changing 2, 4 or 6 amino acid in the cysteine residue. Now this cysteine residue form 1, 2 or 3 disulfide bonds respectively. In basic or native, we can say it in basic T4 lysozyme, 2 cysteine residues are present, and these 2 cysteine residues add by mutagenesis process, and it create the disulfide bond in the enzyme. So this T4 lysozyme having the disulfide bond due to the cysteine residue, and this bond folded structure and increase the stability of the enzyme. Now next is xylenase. So this enzyme used for manufacturing paper from the wood pulp, and it should be catalytically active at the higher temperature. So when we are adding disulfide bond in this enzyme, it becomes thermostable and more functional efficient. So by adding disulfide bond, we are increasing the stability and thermostability of enzyme or protein.